Epic wood projects you can do with kids. Did you know that engaging children in wood projects can boost their creativity and problem-solving abilities by leaps and bounds? Yes, that's right. As we dive into the magical world of woodworking, you'll discover why these handy projects are not just fun, but also a powerful tool for learning. As craft lovers, we know the thrill of turning raw materials into something amazing. And now we can share that journey with the little ones. Welcome to a realm where your family's creativity can run wild. Crafting with kids is more than just an activity. It's an opportunity to create memories, share giggles, and embark on a creative adventure together. Discover the pure joy of watching your children transform simple planks into masterpieces, all while nurturing a passion for crafting. Nothing compares to the shared sense of accomplishment when those last touches of paint are applied, and a family project comes to life. Many parents face the challenge of finding activities that are both engaging and educational for their children. Wood projects fill this gap perfectly, offering a platform where kids not only learn practical skills, but also engage in the joyful process of creating something tangible. For craft enthusiasts, it's a unique chance to bond over shared interests while fostering a productive and fun learning environment. Forget screen time. Let's embrace the hands-on experience that's wonderfully stimulating and rewarding. Now let's dive into some fantastic wood project ideas tailor-made for you and your little crafters. We'll explore projects ranging from cheerful birdhouses to colorful toy cars, all easy to make and infinitely rewarding. Start with our rustic birdhouse project. Gather materials, a few pieces of wood, nails, and non-toxic paint. Assemble the base and walls with nails, and let your kids paint their masterpiece in vibrant colors. Watch as they learn hammering techniques and unleash their artistic flair. Next up, miniature sailing boats are a perfect weekend project. You'll need some blocks of wood, a saw, and fabric for sails. Walk through the cutting and assembling process, then set sail in your backyard pool or bathtub. It's a delight to see kids' faces lighting up as they launch their handcrafted vessel. For personalized name plaques, grab some flat wooden pieces and some carving tools. Let your kids carve out their names, tracing them with pencil first. Teach them the basics of wood carving, and soon they'll be proudly hanging their art on bedroom doors. Now let's delve into a real-time project. Watch as young hands carefully build a birdhouse step by step, from measuring wood to nailing pieces together. The camera captures every moment of concentration, joy, and collaboration. Finally, as the last brush of paint is applied, share the triumphant cheers and excited smiles because every nail hammered was a step toward success. The benefits of these wood projects extend far beyond the completion of a task. Through woodworking, children learn patience, precision, and the importance of following instructions. They develop critical thinking and planning skills, alongside enhancing their creativity and fine motor skills. Moreover, it's a fantastic opportunity to reinforce family bonds and create stories worth sharing and cherishing. Craft lovers, we invite you to be part of an ever-growing community of creative minds. Share your favorite projects in the comments below. What worked, what didn't, and the unforgettable moments shared. Extend the crafting journey by exploring other DIY videos on our channel, packed full of inspiration and tips for all your future wood projects. Thank you for tuning in to our crafty adventure. We hope you and your little ones are ready to explore the wondrous world of woodworking. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep updated with all our exciting DIY content. Until next time, happy crafting!